Hello, folks. After a long time, I'm back. so, this is paper 2-3, May June session, paper 1-2, and the question number is 33. Of course, it is 9702 physics. It says that a car has a sensor for detecting the light intensity and the temperature of the environment. The sensors make use of a light dependent resistor. This is for the light intensity, and a thermistor. This is for the temperature. The car moves from a warm and dark environment into a cold and bright environment. So from warm it moves to cold, and from dark it moves to a bright environment, like this. What are the changes to the resistances of the LDR and the thermistor? So it's asked two questions in the same number. So what it says is, first it is from warm to cold. So that means the temperature decreases. So if T decreases, then the temperature of the thermistor, which measures it, the resistance of the thermistor should increase. So this means R of the thermistor should increase. So we have got choice number A and C valid, but B and D they disqualify. Then it is from a dark environment to bright, so it goes from a dark to bright. So that means that the light intensity increases, and this should decrease the R, which we call as LDR. This should decrease. The light intensity increases, that's why the resistance of the of the LDR, that should decrease. So this means choice number A this disqualifies, and choice number C this thing qualifies. So C is the correct choice.